Hello प्यारे बच्चों. Again I am with you with the class 7th topic mensuration. In the previous video I have told you how to find out the area of parallelogram. In that video I have told you how to derive the formula to find out the area of parallelogram. Now we are going to talk about the word problems based on it. So this is the part 1 of word problems. In the next video more word problems I am going to take. Here I am going to take the 3 word problems. So without delay, let us start. The very first thing, always make sure read the question and whatever the given values are there, write them. The area and one side of a parallelogram are 210 hectares and 1500 meters respectively. Find the corresponding altitude. Here what is given to you? Here the very first thing which is given to you is area. So area is given to you in hectare, 210 hectare, right? So hectare, you should know, hectare is the unit to measure the area. 1 hectare contains 10,000 meter square. Okay, 10,000 meter square. That means in meter square, your area will be 210 multiplied by 10,000 meter square. Okay, now what is the side given to you? Side is 1500 meter. Side is given to you is 1500 meter. Now we know that we are having these two things. I need to find out the altitude. So we know only area. Now we know area means base or side. Okay. So base into altitude. अब base क्या होगा यहाँ पे? Base means the given side. Area I know. So in the next step I will replace this area by its value, which is 210 multiplied by 10,000. Base is 1500 meter multiplied by altitude. Okay. So altitude. Now do the transposition. I need to find out the altitude. 1500 will be transposed from the right hand side to left hand side. Here it is in multiplication. On the other side it will be in the division. So just copy down the left hand side as it is, because it will come in the numerator and 1500 will come in the denominator, and what will be left on the right hand side? It will be altitude. Now this 0 and this 0 will cut. Now what left? 210 multiplied by 100 upon 15. Okay, which is equal to altitude. Now use the cutting method. Don't do that कि first you are multiplying then dividing. Do the cutting method. See, 210 and 15, both of them are divisible by 3. Now 5 ones are 5, 5 14s are 70. Now altitude will be 14 into 100, that will be equals to altitude. So finally you got the altitude 1400 meter. Okay, so altitude will be 1400 meter. In this way you can find out the answer. Now moving to the next question, which is little tougher to hear. Here trick was hectare. You need to understand that what is the relation between hectare and meter square. Hectare is the unit to measure the area. So 1 hectare equals to 10,000 meters square. Now next question. ABCD is a parallelogram, right? CE is perpendicular on AB and BF is perpendicular on AD, right? So with the given description, always at first make the figure. A just rough figure, make for an idea. Okay, so the very first thing, you have made one parallelogram. Now labeling of this parallelogram is important. Do either in cyclic order or anti-cyclic order. That means A After that, if you are moving towards right side, so go right of B now. B, C and D. Okay. Now, what they are saying, CE is perpendicular on AE. That means this is AB. On this CE, from C, drop one perpendicular. That is your perpendicular. As it is making 90 degree, it will come here. So CE is perpendicular, right? Now just mind one thing. If AB is the base and CE is the perpendicular, by multiplying this base and this perpendicular, you will be able to find out the area. Okay. Now read the next part. What the next part says, BF is perpendicular on AD. This is your AD, and from B just drop one perpendicular. So it will come from here. This is your BF. Now this is the same parallelogram. You can find out its area by two ways. Either you multiply AB with CE because these two are perpendicular, or you can multiply AD by BF because BF is perpendicular on AD. So there are two ways to find out its area. Okay, and in both cases you will find the same area. Clear? Now what the question says, AB equals to 18, AD equals to this and C equals to this, find the BF. So as already I have told you, there are two ways to find out the area, AB multiplied CE or AD multiplied BF. Okay. So out of these four, the three things you are knowing, one thing you are not knowing. That means you are able to make one linear equation. And with the help of this linear equation, you are able to find out the fourth value, which is BF, which is your unknown value. So let us do the solution. So in the case of solution, at first write CE is perpendicular on AB and BF is perpendicular on AD. So area of parallelogram. Okay. So what it will come? CE multiplied by AB, or it can be equal to BF into AB. Right. Now I know what is the value of CE. For the A part, it is 12 multiplied AB is 18 equals to BF, I don't know, BF into AD. BF I need to find out, and AD is 12. Okay. Now do the transposition. So 12 into 18 on the left hand side. 12 from the right hand side will be transposed and come in the denominator. And what you are going to find out? BF. It is direct cutting. You got value of BF, that is equals to 18. You need to check the unit. It is 18 meter. So write the unit as well. Got this? The same question, the same you have to do for the B part also. AB equals to 20 meters, C equals to this, BF equals to this, find AD. Same way, the same solution is there. Just write down CE is perpendicular on AB and BF perpendicular on AD. Okay, here also by mistake I have written AB, but it is AD. Okay, now area of parallelogram. So area of parallelogram, here it will come CE multiplied AB equals to BF multiplied AD. Okay, so I guess now all can put the values and do the transposition. It will come 15 into 20 and here it will come 25 into AD. Just do the transposition and get the value and send me the value of this AD in comment box. Okay, I will surely reply you whether it is right or wrong. So go ahead. Now we are moving to the next question. The question says the area of rhombus is this. Find its altitude if its perimeter is this. Right? So what is given to you? The very first thing given to you is area of rhombus. Okay. Now here they have used the word rhombus. Rhombus means what is that? It is a figure, or you can say it is a quadrilateral whose all sides are equal. Okay, they are not perpendicular always, but whose all sides are equal. Okay, this is the important thing. Find its altitude if its perimeter is 340. So perimeter, neither I know the base, I know only perimeter is 340 meter. I know the area, I know the perimeter. Now with the word rhombus, I know its property that all sides are equal. All sides are equal, that means perimeter ka formula, what it will become? 4 into side. Okay, so when you do the 4 into side, you are able to get the value of side. Side will be equals to 340 upon 4. So what it will come? 4 8s are 32, 2 left, 2 and 0. 4 5s are 20. So you are going to get the side. Side is equals to 85 meter. Now though it is very easy because now you are knowing area. Area is 3485. Replace this area by the formula, that is base into altitude. Now put the value of base, which is 85 into altitude. Okay, this is the second step. Now in the third step, do the transposition. So altitude equals to 3485 upon 85. Now if you see a little wisely, if you are very good in the table, so you will be able to understand this, that both of them are divisible by 17. Okay, 17 ones are 17, 17 twos are 34. Now this 8 is not divisible by 17. So put the 0. 17 fives are 85. 17 fives are 85. In the denominator also it will come. Then 5 ones are 5, 5 fours are, and 5 ones are. So in that way you got the altitude equals to 41 meter. So in this way, in 2 steps, you got the answer. But before applying the formula, you need to understand which formula you need to apply at first. I hope these 3 questions will be clear to you. In the next video, again I will come with the area of parallelogram. Okay, and again I will talk about 2 more word problems in that. So stay with me, connected with me, and don't forget to do the practice of maths. Practice is the most important thing in maths. As much as more practice you will do, your concept will become more strong. So good luck. Keep practicing, keep liking, keep sharing with your friends. It's Ruchi Gupta, Maths Gurukul by Ruchi Gupta. Good luck.